It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my mom morning routine. It's just what my mornings look like lately since we've been in quarantine. It's a really weird season of life that we're in. But first, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn that notification bell on so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Something that I personally think is just really important to start your day off the right way is to make your bed every morning. It's just like that first small little check mark on your to-do list for the day. And when you walk in your room, your bed's made and you just feel better about the way your room looks. I love spraying my room and my bedding every day. I think that it's just a really nice greeting when you walk it through your bedroom door and everything smells fresh. But first, coffee. It's the first thing I do, guys. I caffeinate and then I read my Bible study for the day. I love starting my day off on the right foot, and for me, that's opening my Bible and just digging in. It's stuck? A bracelet. Want to show the camera your nails. Wow. Red. And what color is this? What color? Red and blue. You want Princess Poppy? You want Elsa? Can you say good? Oh, she's showing you her crayons. You got some new crayons? As many of y'all know, my mom is our nanny and she's actually living with us here in Nashville, and it's just so amazing and such a blessing to have the extra help with Kenny so I can do things like take off for a minute and into another part of the house and work on Hello Gorgeous, or just, you know, go wash my face. By the way, I am an after coffee teeth brusher. Which camp are you in? Before coffee or after coffee teeth brusher? I've been quarantined, I've been taking this opportunity to really pay attention to my skin, you know, do a whole bunch of different treatments and masks and whatnot. I've been using the New Face daily, just trying to kind of like firm up my skin, all kinds of different things. So let me know, should I do an updated skincare routine during quarantine? Leave a comment below. One of my absolute favorite things I've been doing to my skin lately is wearing the under eye patches. I feel like they make such a difference, and you could just leave them on for as long as you want. So I pop them on and I go do what I want to do around the house, and then when I remember, I take them off. So you do a circle. Oh, you want Minnie? And then who's this? Hey, Ken. What did you draw? What is that? What is it? I don't know what it is. You drew it. Ew, yuck, that's a worm. No, don't eat that. Yeah. Now that my morning is underway and Ken is all set up for the day with my mom, she's gonna go ahead and take over and they're gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started with Hello Gorgeous, but first I wanna get the kitchen cleaned up. I find myself running my vacuum cleaner every day. I'm pretty much cleaning my kitchen counters multiple times a day. Hashtag mom life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments what video you wanna see from me next. Au revoir. And this one is Brussels sprouts, pepper, okra. So there's 2 Brussels sprouts, 2 peppers, sweet peppers, and then 2 okras. And this one, your guess is as good as mine.